Okay, so this is crazy because, you know, I really hope that this vacuum worked out for me. First of all, I have to put an extension cord. As you can see, I won't even stay up. I have to put an extension cord because the self-extracting extension cord is about 10 feet long. It's not long at all. Like, so here, let me give you an example. All right. So this is how far you can vacuum right here. That's it. Any vacuum that I've bought has at least 3 times more than this. Right. So you're having to unplug it and plug it back into multiple outlets, and hopefully you have them in the right spot. Otherwise, you're like me and have to get an extension cord to make it to wherever you want to vacuum. Otherwise, you're going to be unplugging it every 3 seconds. Not only that, but, you know, a piece fell off of it. I went to vacuum up under the bed, and when I went down, first of all, there's no unlocking pedal. You know, normally there's a pedal that you unlock your vacuum with, and then it allows it to come down. This one is a self-click clack. It just unlocks on its own. Well, turns out that I went to go vacuum under my bed, and when I went all the way down, plop, I heard a snap, and here goes this piece. So, you know, to me, it's like, what's going on? A piece fell off of my brand new vacuum. So this is getting returned back to Amazon. Don't buy it. It's not worth it. You know, I kind of got it because it had a handy handle that you can take off and attach to the hose, but it's really, you're not really gaining much if you just take the hose and, you know, you just gain like a few inches or so. But it's not worth it. The suction ain't that great. Save your money. Get something better. Don't cheap out with this right here. Here it is. I've used it once. Had excellent suction power. This little thing here worked pretty good. It's not bad at all. I recommend the purchase.